Okay, so I got your email, and I wanted to kind of address something you'd said where you just don't want to know the answer, you want to understand what you're doing. And I'm not quite sure, that's the issue, is I'm not quite sure what you're asking the question on. Because it seems like you're struggling on writing the equations of the lines. My guess is you may just be way overthinking it. Because your questions aren't about the simplex method. It's about writing the inequalities, so it should be, really, it should just be as simple as, I kind of think of it as like slope. We have three equations, riboforce, creatine, and preload creatine. We have three variables, and each of those variables, we need to write equations that relate them. So the first constraint we have is the amount of alpha, whatever acid. So how much acid do each of these things have? So if I define R to be the number of servings, then when I do that, how much of the acid is it going to have in it? Well, 0 from R plus, then for each serving of creatine, I'd have 100 milligrams per serving of this creatine transport. So therefore, if you think about it, if I had 2 servings, that would give me 200. If I had 3 servings, that would give me 300, because 3 times 100, 2 times 100. So then, similarly, 25 from the preload, P on R, and then I know I want that to be no more than. So no more than means less than or equal to 2,200. Does that make sense? And then the rest just follows suit. It's the same idea. So I think that's where you're struggling, because it seems that's where your question's coming from. So think of it like, you can think of it like slope. The amount of acid is rise over run. For every one that I increase of these, I go up 100. For every one I increase of these, I go up 25. For each one of these I increase, I go up 0. Let me know if that works for you.